Hey there, it's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and today we're going to try the St. James Infirmary. Grab your guitar and let's get started. There's thousands of ways that you can play this beautiful old song. Please feel inspired to go and look out different versions. This is just how I like to play it. I use the chords A minor, E, and F. I like to finger pick this song by starting with my thumb on the 5th string, my pointer finger on the 4th, my middle finger on the 3rd, and my ring finger on the 2nd. I will play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... For most of the song, I'm sticking to those same strings, except when we play E, my thumb goes down to that 6th string. Let's see if I can play the beginning for you. I went down to the St. James Infirmary, saw my... Stayed on A minor and E for that whole bit. Now I'm A minor for saw my F baby, and then E. There. Now she was dressed up. A minor, she was dressed up on a long white table. Here we go straight to the F chord, so cold, so E, sweet, so, and then A minor. There, chorus, let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, you can search this wide world over, but you'll never find a man like me. And that one's short and sweet lesson, but that's pretty much how it's done. So just see if you can get the feeling. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Sometimes when I'm on the A minor chord, what you can do to add a little bit of variety is alternate between the 5th and the 6th string as well. So that gives you a little bit of bass motion down there. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, you could search this wide world over, but you'll never find a man like me. Have fun trying St. James Infirmary, and I will see you in the next lesson.